In a surprising twist that's making headlines, Zimbabwe's Nelson Chamisa, a prominent opposition politician, found himself in a remarkable situation this past Friday. Right at a British embassy event in Harare, something unexpected happened. Chamisa, known for his charismatic and unifying approach, was warmly greeted not just by supporters, but intriguingly by top figures from ZANU-PF, the ruling party. Now, for those not in the loop, seeing opposition and ruling party bigwigs mingling with smiles might sound like a scene from a movie, but yes, it did happen. Among the guests were none other than ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa and former political commissar Webster Shamu. Cameras snapped away as they eagerly sought to capture this moment with Chamisa. It wasn't just a polite handshake. There were genuine smiles, folks. That's not something you see every day in the often tense political landscape of Zimbabwe. After the event, Chamisa took to social media, emphasizing the importance of unity and collaboration. His message was clear and resonant. We must unite to build a stronger and better future. We're #one people. This isn't just about being seen together. It's about breaking barriers, fostering dialogue, and building bridges. Now, why does this matter? In a world where political divisions often lead to conflict and isolation, moments like these shine as beacons of hope. They show that even those with profound differences can come together for the greater good. Chamisa's interaction with his political rivals sends a powerful message of civility and respect, which is essential for any nation's progress. So, what can we take away from this? It's simple but profound. Difference doesn't have to mean division. Unity isn't about agreeing on everything, but about respecting each other and working together towards common goals. Chamisa's example is a reminder that, in the end, we're all human, and more connects us than separates us. Thanks for tuning in. Let's carry this spirit of unity and optimism forward, not just in Zimbabwe but everywhere. Remember, we're stronger together. We're #one people.